My name is Moira Tika and I've been in education for over about 20 years. I used to be a primary school teacher. A little family opportunity came to start iSTEAM Ahead, and we wanted to come up with childcare with a bit of a differentiator to our competition, and it was finding something that we really believed in, and I think that's where STEAM blossomed. STEAM is science, tech, engineering, arts and maths, and it's very big in primary schools and definitely in high schools, and it's like a hands-on, project-based type of learning. And we started to look at, well, how can we incorporate that into the early years? STEAM is a mindset approach. It's about creating children to be thinkers, problem solvers, be creative, ask questions, be inquisitive. We pride ourselves on being a family-run business and an independent childcare. We're just excited to meet new people and see why we are different. We have been operating like a boutique-style early learning centre. We've been able to create really good ratios to children. The children are getting a lot of that one-to-one care. It is a personalised service, and children's interests are able to be really captured on and enhanced. Well, we've tried to make the experience for parents as hassle-free as possible, and it's basically a backpack and a bottle of water, and we take care of the rest. We do include some extracurricular activities, and we like to include them in our prices. So we offer Young Yogis, which is a yoga session for children. We have our Ready Steady Go sports program, and we have Happy Feet, which is a musical fitness program. Kids love it, parents love it, and they don't have to pay or organise anything for it. If I talk to you as an educator that really believes in nurturing the whole child, it's not just about the academic of our children growing up. We want them to live in a world where they are resilient, where they have the skills to cope with all the extraordinary things that happen in their journey. Our STEAM philosophy changes the way people perceive an educator, where traditionally the educator is teaching the children the facts. Well, we believe in the teacher stepping back and facilitating the children in their growth development. If we didn't love children, we wouldn't be doing this, and we generally have a very family-orientated centre.